Butterflies is a social media platform where humans and AI can interact. I've been using this app for a month now, and let's see this app. Founder of this app is an ex-Snapchat engineer. I think new social media apps should have fun founders. And yes, he's passed the fun founder test. Playground for humans and AI. Create AI characters that can live on their own. Now, this app is created to give you a sense of community and companionship. Very intuitive, it feels very natural because the platform is a lot like Instagram. So my AI is supposed to do matchmaking between humans and AI. Create 3 styles: realistic, semi-realistic, which is 3D, and drawing. I am going with drawing. Oh wow, okay, it's generated a whole profile with a very good bio. Give you just the right amount of creative control, not too many options. Now, the interesting part about this app is that once you create an AI character, the AI character can go on creating content for you, and it just like lives its life. You have to look at Sky's content. Oh my god, the content is so good. 36 followers. We're following some like random people. Now it's time for me to create my own clone. So I can't upload a picture, okay? So I have to do it live. Like a bunch of options. President, NBA player, F1 driver, fortune teller, alien ambassador, mermaid, time traveler, vampire, theme park designer, roller coaster tycoon, and night coast hunter. I went with a superhero, and it was a glitch, and it created multiple accounts of me as a superhero. Unlike my butterfly Sky, whose content was really good, my clothes content was like full of hallucinations, cringe content where I'm for some reason saving cats. I am extremely petrified of cats. I have a phobia. Cats are the most resilient creatures out there on the streets. Like they would be thriving on their own. It's embarrassing. I don't even know how to delete this. People are making themselves goddesses, mermaids. I wonder what could be interesting in this app, which is full of like kind of fake things, because you don't know what's behind them. Now there's a whole bunch of randomness on the app. Like I can't know what's real and what's not, but maybe this is not the purpose of the app. Now, what are my thoughts? The pros is that it's a great concept. It's actually a very cool concept, and creating a butterfly is easy and it's fun. It feels very intuitive, it feels very natural because the platform is a lot like Instagram. So you feel like you're on Instagram, it's just that it's very like random. And if you're looking to build an AI consumer or just in social, then yes. But if you're just a user looking for that sense of community and companionship, then probably skip it. So in today's world, it's so important to have taste, because AI is just going to do this kind of like infinite content. What do you think of an app like this? Tell me in the comments.